Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chrome jewelry. Chrome plating applies a very thin layer of chromium metal onto a base material, often for decorative purposes. This process significantly enhances the jewelry's durability and provides excellent resistance against corrosion. Understanding these fundamental benefits is key to appreciating the entire chrome plating journey. It's a precise technique that yields beautiful, long-lasting results. Before any chrome is applied, meticulous preparation is essential. First, the jewelry must be thoroughly cleaned to remove all dirt, oils, and surface impurities. Next, polishing creates a smooth, reflective base, which is crucial for the final shine. After polishing, rinsing ensures no residue remains. Often, a copper or nickel undercoat is applied to further enhance adhesion and corrosion resistance, sometimes in 2 to 3 layers. The core of chrome plating is electroplating. The prepared jewelry is immersed in a chromic acid solution. An electric current is then applied, causing chromium ions to deposit onto the jewelry's surface. Maintaining a controlled environment with specific temperature, often between 35 to 45 degrees Celsius, and current settings is crucial for a uniform and quality finish. The plating time directly influences the thickness of the chrome layer. After plating, rinse the jewelry thoroughly to remove any residual chemicals. Buffing then enhances the final shine, creating that desired mirror-like finish. Safety is paramount throughout this process. Proper ventilation, such as a fume hood, is legally required in most places to manage hazardous fumes. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including chemical-resistant gloves, aprons, and eye protection, to prevent exposure to toxic compounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.